Hi guys, this is Baby. I'm back for another video. Today I will show you how to download the Angi app in your Android mobile. The first thing, you have to go to Chrome and hit Angi, and hit on it. Oh, sorry, I'm misleading that. Or you can type HomeAdvisor. See, and wait for a second, and hit HomeAdvisor app. Hit on it and wait for a second. You can copy all the text. Oh, misleading that. You can copy that and hit on it. Let's no that we can see Home Advisor. What's going on? Sorry guys. Wait for a second. Select all of it, copy it, and go to App Store. If you have App Store, hit on App Store. Wait for a second. Wait for a second, guys. Not now. No thanks. Hit on it and click Angi app. You see. Install it and wait for a second. Let's zoom a little bit. Let's focus here. Yeah, it's downloaded. It's take time. That depends on your internet connection. Wait for I have like 88 megabyte. And let's see here. For installation connection with home improvement and professional and compare quotes online. Does it depend on your internet connection in your area or in your country? Because I'm recording my iPhone, I cannot handle the iPhone because it's so heavy. I don't have tripod. Come on, what you doing? I wait for a second for sliding. Installing the app in your Android. You can open it right now. Let's open it. You see, we are successfully scanning the app. We don't know nothing. We open app right now. What's going on here? You see, we download the app in Android phone. You can select what you have in it. You see. In the next video, I will show you how to registration in this app. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.